Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And both these levels still definitely do pertain. I'm going to go ahead and just get that level. Actually, yeah, no, I'll leave that out there just because it's, who knows? It's Friday. It's the SPY. Who knows what'll come. But overall, yes, up there at 295 is still a level of resistance. It's not relevant right now, though, because, and this is segues into the first update that needs to be done. But the first update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And for those of you that did watch the video yesterday, I talked about, this level right around the 291.50-ish level being an area of support. But with the gap down this morning, you can see the price tried its best to stay above that level, but ultimately did fail to the downside. And then on this attempted bounce upwards, you can see got rejected. And then even the last 30 minutes here on this big movement upwards, surprise, surprise, got rejected right at that level. So this is certainly going to be an area that a whole lot of people are watching, especially those breakout players watching 291.50, wondering, can the price get a good high volume break of it? If it can get a good high volume break, am I saying guaranteed to go back up there to 295? I'm not saying that at all. My point is that from the technical point of view, there is definitely some space on the chart here for the price to potentially, gather some additional momentum from those breakout players. So those are definitely going to be the two main areas of resistance to watch. As far as levels of support are now concerned, the main level that I will be watching, along with a whole lot of other people, is right down there at 288.50. 288.50 was a former area of resistance, and now you'd expect it to act as support, and indeed it did act as support today. So it's one of those situations where the shorts are going to be watching it, wondering if the price comes down there and cracks below it, that could definitely create a nice tradable opportunity as really the next level of support. Not until then, down around the 285 mark. Again, am I saying it's going to drop straight down to that area? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying as far as the space is concerned, there's definitely some opportunity there on the chart. So these are going to be the main levels that I'm watching going into Friday. So let's see how it all plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.